Hello friends, in this video I am unboxing Pigeon air fryer. This is super air fryer from Pigeon company. There are so many companies which are selling this product like Prestige and Kelvinator. Some different companies are available in market, but out of all the companies this is the cheapest one. You can buy this air fryer exclusively in snapdeal.com. You can see this is the air fryer. Settings, time setting is there, ergonomic handle, temperature setting, and the main intention with this air fryer is oil free cooking. It takes very less oil, nearly it saves 80% of oil. It is very healthy and tasty food. It is very healthy first of all. Best suited for Indian cooking. Super enhanced air engineering for uniform cooking, and it comes with 2 years warranty. Most of the air fryer comes with 1 year warranty, but this air fryer comes with 2 years warranty, and it takes 1350 watts. Super air engineering, and the capacity is 2.2 liters. What are the features of this air fryer is written on this box. Oil free cooking, healthy and tasty food, best suited for Indian cooking, super fast circulation of air, dishwasher safe pan and basket, temperature control knob 80 degrees to 200 degrees centigrade, 30-minute timer with automatic switch off function, no need to monitor constantly. You can cook several food items. You can see YouTube videos. See, in this picture you can see they are cooking French fries. Mainly this is perfect for bachelors like me. Now I am going to opening this box. No seal is given, just you open this, and it is very compact. You can carry it anywhere. This is the air fryer. This is a booklet, leaflet, and also warranty card. If you are the basic user, they have given instruction manuals how to use. Complete information is there. And they have given the details here, how to cook potatoes, snacks, baking. If you are cooking cake, max temperature 300 degrees, time 20 to 25, temperature is 160 degrees. If you are cooking a cake for 300 grams, you must cook it for 20 to 25 minutes, and the temperature is required is 160 degrees. This is good for basic users, and you can see so many YouTube videos are there how to use this Pigeon air cooker. This is the temperature knob. You can use this temperature from 80 degrees to 200 degrees. And this is the timer. From 30 to 30 minutes is max. It is made with plastic, good plastic. This is the cable, 3-pin cable. I am opening the seal for you. They have given instructions here how to open it clearly. Now I am going to open this. Just pull this up and push out. See, this is the inner part. You can see what is inside this. This is very lightweight, guys. This is very lightweight. I like the design. If you have any queries regarding this product, please comment below. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, guys.